Ever found yourself staring at your Kraken account, wondering, when can I finally move these crypto gains to my own wallet? It's a question that plagues both crypto newbies and seasoned traders alike. You've navigated the KYC, maybe even dabbled in some leverage trading, and now you want control. You want that sweet crypto independence. But Kraken, like any exchange, has its own set of rules and procedures. So, when can you actually withdraw? That's exactly what we're diving into today. First things first, let's establish why this question is so important. It's not just about wanting to see your crypto sitting in your personal wallet. It's about security, control, and access. Keeping your crypto on an exchange, while convenient for trading, means you're trusting that exchange with your assets. And while Kraken is a reputable platform, the golden rule of crypto is not your keys, not your coins. Taking control of your private keys by withdrawing to your own wallet is a fundamental step in truly owning your cryptocurrency. It's like moving your cash from a bank vault to your own safe. You have direct access and control. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. When can you withdraw from Kraken to your own wallet? The short answer is, it depends. And it depends on a few key factors. The first, and perhaps most crucial, factor is verification. Kraken, like most regulated exchanges, has Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, requirements. These regulations are in place to prevent illicit activities and ensure the integrity of the financial system. So, before you can even think about withdrawing, you need to be fully verified. This usually involves providing personal information like your name, address, date of birth, and sometimes even government-issued identification. The level of verification required often depends on the amount you intend to withdraw. Smaller withdrawals might require a basic level of verification, while larger withdrawals will necessitate more extensive documentation. So, if you're eager to withdraw, make sure your Kraken account is fully verified. Don't skip this step. It's the biggest hurdle for many users. The second factor is the specific cryptocurrency you're trying to withdraw. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal, and this applies to withdrawal processes as well. Some cryptocurrencies have faster transaction times and lower network fees than others. Bitcoin, for example, can sometimes have longer confirmation times and higher fees compared to, say, Litecoin or XRP. Kraken will also have its own processing times for withdrawals, which can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. So, if you're withdrawing a popular cryptocurrency during a period of high network activity, expect some delays. Thirdly, Kraken may have withdrawal limits in place. These limits can be daily, weekly, or monthly, and they can vary depending on your verification level and the specific cryptocurrency. It's crucial to check these limits before attempting a withdrawal, especially if you're planning on moving a significant amount of crypto. You don't want to be caught off guard by a withdrawal limit and have your funds tied up longer than expected. You can typically find this information in your Kraken account settings or their help center. Another important point to consider is network fees. When you withdraw cryptocurrency from Kraken, you'll have to pay a network fee to the blockchain miners or validators who process the transaction. This fee is not charged by Kraken, but rather by the network itself. The fee varies depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. During times of high network activity, fees can be higher, so it's wise to keep an eye on network fee estimates before initiating a withdrawal. Kraken usually displays the estimated network fee before you confirm your withdrawal, so you'll have a chance to review it. Now, let's talk about the actual withdrawal process. Once you're verified, you've checked the withdrawal limits, and you're aware of the network fees, you're ready to go. First, you'll need to navigate to the withdrawal section of your Kraken account. This is usually found under the Funds or Wallet section. You'll then select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal address. This is the public address of your personal wallet where you want to receive the cryptocurrency. Double and triple check this address. A single typo can result in your funds being lost forever. Copy and paste the address if possible to avoid any errors. Kraken may also offer additional security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, for withdrawals. It's highly recommended to enable 2FA for all your crypto accounts, as it adds an extra layer of security. After you've entered the withdrawal address and the amount you want to withdraw, you'll be able to review the details, including the network fee. Once you've confirmed everything, the withdrawal request will be submitted to Kraken. The time it takes for the withdrawal to be processed can vary depending on the factors we discussed earlier. You can usually track the status of your withdrawal in your Kraken account. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the cryptocurrency will be sent to your wallet. Now, let's address some common questions. How long does a Kraken withdrawal take? As we've mentioned, it depends. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, or even longer in some cases. What if my withdrawal is pending for too long? If you've waited a reasonable amount of time and your withdrawal is still pending, you can contact Kraken support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any potential issues. Can I cancel a withdrawal? In some cases, you might be able to cancel a withdrawal if it hasn't been processed yet. However, this is not always guaranteed, so it's important to be sure before you initiate a withdrawal. One final tip: always test withdrawals with a small amount first. This is especially important if you're withdrawing a large amount of cryptocurrency or if you're using a new wallet address. By testing with a small amount, you can ensure that you've entered the correct address and that the withdrawal process is working as expected. This can save you from potential headaches and losses down the line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.